Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to look awake in a short amount of time. I'm currently filming this video at midnight because this is the only time that I can film, so I am pretty tired. Like you can see my bags under my eyes and my skin looks dull and everything, so I think it is a great time to film this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my other videos and also hit the subscribe button down below. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and get started. So I will go to sleep anytime today. So usually if I wake up and I go out, I put some SPF on, but now I'm at home and I will take off this makeup right after I film this video, so I'm not gonna put SPF on. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna put this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water. This is how it looks like. This is a face spray and I'm just gonna spray it all over my face, and this will give me a little bit of hydration and just makes my skin looks more alive. So of course not everyone looks tired. There are some people with a lot of fortune that has perfect skin and they just look flawless all the time, but I am not this kind of person. I have some darkness under my eyes. I have a little bit of redness going on right here. When I want to look awake but I don't want to put on foundation or stuff like that, I will first go with a concealer. You want to go with a concealer that is the same shade as your face or the closest. You're gonna take the concealer and you're gonna focus it on the inner part of your eyes right there, and I'm gonna show you before and after. So I'm gonna put it right here and under my eyes like this, and I'm just gonna blend it away. And you can see instantly that this side looks so different than this side. You can't really see the darkness. It is more even and it just looks better in my opinion. So yeah, this is the first step and it just blends into your skin and makes it look flawless. I'm also taking the concealer and I'm just putting some around my nose because I have some redness there, and on my chin, and a little bit where I have some breakouts, and this will just make my skin look more even. And that's it. I'm not putting the concealer all over my lid because I do want to have some color there. We're not doing a full on foundation routine, so I just want to have some color there. So that's what we're gonna do, and you can really see the difference. I hope you guys can see, like this side is not even and this side is more even. You can see the darkness under my eyes. So I'm gonna take a lighter shade of the concealer and I'm just gonna put a tiny dot right here. I want to have some more light there just to, you know, look more awake. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a powder and I'm just gonna set my under eyes. We want to make sure it won't crease throughout the day. I'm taking my powder and I just put it under my eyes. I do want to add some bronzer and some blush just because it gives your face a warmth and you don't look like you just woke up from the dead, if you know what I mean. So I will show you how it looks like. I'm taking my butter bronzer by Physicians Formula and I'm taking a very fluffy brush. This is from Real Techniques because I don't want the bronzer to be too focused on one spot on my face. I want it to just spread on the face. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm very lightly touching my face with the brush. And another step, I'm taking my blush, and you can take whatever blush you want. I'm just taking a pinky shade and I'm gonna put it on the apples of my cheeks. And now what I like to do, I like to take a spoolie and just brush through my brows. When I don't have a lot of foundation, I don't do anything. I just want them to look organized. And now I'm taking a black liner and I put it on my upper waterline. And I'm going to take mascara and put it on my lashes. Mascara, just open your eyes. This eye looks much more open than this eye, and it just makes so much difference. It is crazy. So I'm adding some nude liner to my waterline. And now we're gonna add some mascara, just the tiniest bit so we won't lose the darkness there. You can definitely add some bronzer in your crease just to make it look more defined. Now I'm gonna highlight my face. Highlight really makes your face pop and looks like you're just glowing from within. Today I'm using this highlighter from Wet n Wild, and I'm just gonna take my sponge. I'm gonna spritz some of the spray on my sponge. I'm taking some of the highlighter on my sponge, and I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks. And when you put your highlight that way, it looks so natural. You can't even see it. It just blends into your skin, and you see it gives you like a glow from within, and it just looks so beautiful. And I'm taking the same highlighter and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner, and because the highlight in the inner corners just make your eyes look so open and awake. So yeah, this is how I look like when I'm half ready. Again, this is the side where I put some makeup on, and you can see it looks much more flawless and glowy and awake, and this side is a little bit, you know, not even. You can see my darkness right here, and that's it basically. This side is really easy. You'd see I didn't put on foundation, and just because I talk it looks like a lot of time, but you can finish it in like 5 minutes, 7 minutes tops. Like, it is so quick. So now I'm just gonna take my spray and I'm gonna put it on my face again just to set everything together. And I'm gonna do the other side of my face and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my face makeup. You can see it looks pretty much the same. It's hard when you do the first side and then you do the other one. I want to finish up with giving my lips some color. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and I'm just gonna apply to my lips because it is a beautiful gloss. Gloss is more, you know, shiny than like a regular lipstick, so you look more, again, fresh and awake. I just love it, and it just gives you a little bit of color. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. It is a short one, not very complicated, but yet I thought you might find out something that you can use in your everyday life. This is mostly what I wear when I go out every day, because I don't have a lot of time to do my makeup, and I just want to look more awake and just fresh, you know. So yeah, I love how it turned out. I especially love the highlighter. I just love this color lately. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe by clicking the red button down below. And yeah, I hope you will have an amazing week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.